In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access DocuSign directly with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting to navigate the world of electronic signatures, this step-by-step walkthrough will ensure that you can easily reach the key features DocuSign has to offer. To begin, let's go to DocuSign by opening your web browser and navigating to apps.docusign.com. This will take you to the DocuSign homepage, a hub for all your digital document needs. On this homepage, you'll find several options tailored to streamline your e-signature process, but before doing anything else, ensure you're logged into your account for seamless access to all features. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to click on Home. The Home tab, situated prominently on your screen, serves as your personal dashboard. It presents an overview of everything you need to manage, from recent documents to quick access tools. Take a moment to get familiar with this view. It's your command center in DocuSign. The next destination on our journey is the Agreements section. Click on Agreements from the navigation bar to expand your interface into the heart of where all your important transactions happen. The Agreements tab is vital for managing contracts and documents that require signing and is organized to give you full visibility over the status of your agreements. After acquainting yourself with agreements, we'll move on to the Templates section. Select Templates to reveal a treasure trove of customizable document formats perfect for saving time. Templates in DocuSign can be created from documents you frequently use, enabling you to reuse and adjust them for any situation quickly. This is especially useful for businesses aiming to maintain consistency across contracts while boosting efficiency. From there, make your way over to the Reports section. Once you click on Reports, you'll have access to a wealth of information displayed in an insightful, data-driven format. This feature allows you to track your document's progress, see completion times, and analyze workflows, giving you an analytical edge and empowering database decision-making. Your final click will be on Admin. The Admin tab opens the administrative settings where you have the control to manage user accounts, configure organization settings, and ensure that your team is operating in sync. This tab is essential for those with extensive admin privileges responsible for the smooth operation of your organization's DocuSign activities. And there you have it, a complete guide to accessing DocuSign directly. Each of these sections plays a crucial role in managing your documents, from inception to completion, all while ensuring that you have control and visibility over every step of the signing process. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide enhances your document.